Chirag Suthar. I am Technical Director of Falcon Machineries. We engineering solution that speak the language of quality with advanced design and deep regulatory understanding. We help our partners stay ahead in pharma manufacturing. Thank you.
At Falcon Machineries. I am the director and founder of this company. At Falcon, we don't just deliver the machine, we deliver trust, result and lasting partnership. Pharma and other industries can count on us. Thank you.
International Marketing Director of Falcon Machineries. Here we take complex challenges from the market and then turn them into the fantastic quality mechanical solution which serves the pharma industry and so many other industries. We have happy business partners and customers across the globe, spreading within 28 countries, and still their number is growing. We are looking forward to take this to a new height in the upcoming time. Thank you so much.